May is filled with celebrations. From Mother's Day to graduation, we've got teacher appreciation as well. We're all looking for a special gift. My next guest feels that handmade is heartfelt, and she's here to share some ideas that show you care. Amy Latta is joining me through the screen to share her latest creations that really would be perfect for any of these May occasions, all with that personal touch. Hey, Amy, how are you?
I'm great. How are you, Brooke?
I'm good, and I'm grateful that you've kept these easy because handmade touch sometimes means a lot of time. These are pretty simple from the looks of it. Your first one is an easy DIY. It's a pressed flower phone case.
Yes, I have been obsessed with crafting with pressed flowers lately because it just feels so much like spring and summer for me. And they're so easy to get and to use. I got pressed flowers off of Amazon, or now that everything is blooming, you can certainly pick and press your own. But you can do all kinds of different projects using these little guys and a bottle of Mod Podge. So to create the phone case, all you do is just take a clear case that fits whatever make and model of phone you have. You're going to paint a layer of Mod Podge on the inside of the case, and then you're going to put your pressed flowers face down into that Mod Podge because we want to see them through the case. We want the right side on the part that we're going to see. So then once it's dry, you're going to paint a coat of Mod Podge on top just to seal it on top of the flowers that you put down. And then let it dry completely before you try to put your phone in. And then once it's dry, you can add your phone. And, like I said, you can do this in a lot of different ways too. You could make the flowers on a mason jar, make these little lanterns with fairy lights inside. You can do this on a keychain. So these pressed flowers will jazz up literally anything that you would like to turn into a gift.
Listen, lady, that phone case looks so chic, boutique. Like I would expect to see that at an upscale boutique. The fact that you DIY'd that and fairly simply is so impressive to me. What a fun project. Next, when we're thinking personal, I think our minds automatically go to photos, and you have a frame to help dress up those memories.
I do. So this is perfect for mom. It's also great for grads if you want to use their senior picture or a baby picture. But all we're using are these wooden rings that you can find at any craft store, or once again, Amazon to the rescue. You can get a whole bunch of them. Mine are 2-inch wooden rings, but you can get these in larger sizes as well. And then you get to have fun painting them in whatever colors, whatever design you would like to do. And I love this because it's so easy for little crafters to make, because all they're doing is just painting this ring in any way.
Cute. The shape.
If you are,
oh, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah. If you're older, you can do fancier things. Like for this one, my son loves strawberry frosted donuts. So I wanted to frame a picture of us, and I just painted the top with like that strawberry color. And then I used paint pens to put little lines for sprinkles. And it looks just like the donut. So you can get as fancy as you like to, or like I said, little crafters can paint it all one color or just a mess of colors, anything they want.
Well, I was going to say the shape kind of begs for creativity, and enter the strawberry, what was it, sprinkled donut? Yeah, absolutely. Super cute. Your next idea, tiptoes into sewing, but in a super simple way, and a little pun included too, right?
Yes, I love a good pun. So this is to remind mom or anyone in your life that they are the very best. So this is just a fun little plushy felt strawberry. And I have a free pattern download on my website for this. So you don't even have to guess about how to cut it. I have it. You can download it, cut it out, and it gives you the body shape. And it also gives you the stem and the topper. So all you're doing is you're just going to put your two red pieces together, or pink, and you're going to hand sew around the outside edges, leaving the top open.
Cute.
We're going to stuff it with polyfill, sew it shut, and then we're going to add that topper and the stem on there. And then all that's left to do is add the face. So I used craft eyes, and I embroidered a smile, and I like to add little rosy cheeks because I think they're darling, but it's totally up to you. You notice that I hand sewed all of this, but if you're working with little crafters or you don't like to sew, which is totally fine, you can use hot glue instead.
I was going to say fabric glue, I know all too well, can help us with little projects like that. That's adorable. We've got a really quick 1 minute left. Amy, tell me about this last idea. It sort of brings us to our sewing machine. It's a denim pouch.
Yes, so this is using upcycled or recycled denim. So you could use like an old pair of your kids' jeans that don't fit anymore, or an old pair of yours that don't fit anymore. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna cut out rectangles, and I have the measurements for all of this on my site, but these are 5 by 6.5. And you're just going to get a zipper, any color, it's the brighter the better, and we're going to sew one of these rectangles onto each side of the zipper. Then we just fold, sew around the edges, turn it right side out, and like magic, you've got this little pouch that you can applique a flower onto.
Cute.
Or anything you want.
Listen, as women, we put bags in our bags in our bags. Those little pouches are such helpful organizing tools. So I love that one as well. Amy, thank you so much. Where can we get more giftables or makeables from you?
Come and find me at amylattacreations.com. I've got tons of gift ideas, and I'd also love for you to visit to see about my brand new book coming out May 28th.
Oh, congratulations. We're going to need to bring you back to talk more about that. What's the book about?
It is Doodle All the Animals.
Oh, animals. Fun. Fun for the season, too. Okay, we'll catch up with you soon. Congrats, Amy. Thank you so much.
Thank you.